Hello everyone, we are in the fabric markets at this moment, and now Nika Azul is here. So today we will develop the sustainable fabric and some casual wear fabric and jackets also. So this market is so huge, 8 floors and more than 1 million supply in the whole.
Really?
Yeah.
How to find your supplier here? There's like so many of them.
So we will give you a tour. So literally when clients visit us, we will give you a tour and guide you to look around. So,
you know the spots.
Yeah. So let's go. When you look around the fabric market,
right.
you can also see their showcase here.
Right,
so
right.
they actually have the fabric out of the store or inside the store, the showcase.
Okay.
So you can see whether you like the design and the material. So we can go to check some new fabric first. Let's go. 索纳拿出来。
That is fabric.
So this is used for t-shirts?
Yes.
Yeah, this is can use for t-shirt. We actually have the different colorway you can pick out, and if you think you need to follow some other color you like, we can use this number 3 white. This is not ivory white, so this is kind of off-white.
Off-white.
Yeah, so we normally use off-white to dye the color.
Why don't you use this one today?
This is this color.
Already dyed. This is
yeah,
not
dye
dyed.
from this one.
Okay.
Yeah. So and this one we can do active dye to make it healthy to the.
So no chemicals.
Yeah,
no harmful chemicals.
Yeah. So this is what I mean. The hoodie wear, like the fleece you like, right?
Yes.
So
yes,
here
yes,
also
yes.
have, I think. 它不用这种像那种摇粒的这种，或者是很厚的一层，就是像奥创绒的那一种，它比奥创薄一点的。
奥创有薄一点的，我刚刚有拿了一个奥创绒的那个。
是吗 ？This one, this one.
But this one, yeah, this one
Right?
is pretty soft.
Not too. But
Yeah.
this one is really high density. Yeah, it is. When we see the fabric, you can see. Check here, 470 GSM.
Yeah, how
And
much?
this one is only here, 310. They just made the fleece bigger, so look.
This
the
one is
shaping.
more expensive.
Yeah, definitely. This one is more expensive.
But this is nice because it's like
Yeah, about this. Have you seen the one? This is popular, including this one is popular. We call it French terry.
Yeah, I know it's popular, but like for me, if it's like hoodie,
Yeah.
it should be very like soft and
Soft and warmer.
comfortable.
Okay.
So I think for me it should be something more like.
Okay, I
nice
know
for
what you
body.
want. We actually do some small brush treatment on
Oh,
this.
really?
Yeah.
Really nice.
So you can feel it. It's different.
Yeah, it is nice.
So sometimes when we make some coating brand, we will recommend
This one.
not just this one. I mean the selling point. Yeah, because you need to
If
you all make the same. All use the same fabric, the same way, because
This is
people
selling
wanna.
point.
Yeah, this is the selling point. People normally wanna save money, like the fabric use 180
Right.
fabric, but this one is 230.
So
you can
it's
feel
like
the weight.
softer on your body.
Softer and heavier, larger. Yeah, so this one. So we go to see whether it is difference between the same kind of fabric. So the t-shirts, brush, t-shirt. This is another supplier want to cooperate with our company. But let's check the fabric first.
Using nuts again?
Yeah, let's go to check. 拿那个插毛的那种230克的那 T 恤料，对，拿出来看一下。Yeah, you can see the difference. 有没有挂板？
没有。
没有挂板。
有啊，这边有那个花纹。
It's brushed or no?
Yeah, brush. Yeah, it's brush. So when you see the fabric, the production way is also important, and also the material. The material we will normally see the behind, so we see whether the thread is with a same standard and whether it is smooth. Yeah, you can feel it. It is not quite smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the production way and also the material inside might not pure
Okay.
or even fine cotton. Yeah. So this is another way, and sometimes even you see when you see the surface, it is not so tight. It's
It's stretchy.
Yeah, it is too much stretchy.
Yeah.
Because when 100% cotton, it is neat. It is a little bit stretchy, but when you see the real fabric, if too much stretchy, maybe the production weight is not really good.
Okay.
Maybe. So this is the way. And also, when you see the when you see the material, you can see this is not like this.
Yeah.
Not the same, right? Some parts have like something like this. Some parts is different. So at least you need to make sure every part of the fabric they are the same quality.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the way we see whether it is good to use. Yeah.
Is it cheaper
okay.
or the same price?
They try to sell same price, but
they
they sell
charge
to our company is cheaper price.
Okay.
But we did not use actually.
Don't.
Yeah, because we know which one is good. Yeah, so this is very important. Sugar. Let's go. We go to check more freeze French terry. So the freeze you like. Yeah, you have your own taste.
I just think it's better because like also another of my point is to make it comfortable, to like promote a woman power.
See whether you like this.
This is too much.
Too much. This is the same concept with the one you feel.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah. So this
But
one.
this is more thick, yeah?
Yeah, this is more thick.
Yeah.
Yeah. The one you wear is 300 or 310.
I think it's too thick.
Why you feel too thick is because the fleece is like this. Yeah.
So I think same, but not fleece like this. Like this. How many is this? 300?
This one is comfortable.
Is what?
Comfortable. This
Comfortable?
one. Yeah, also with fleece, but not too much.
Is the same thickness as this?
Thicker than yours.
Thicker.
Yeah. Actually, let me tell you. So we will see the GSM
Yes.
of the knit fabric.
Yes.
And literally it means the thickness of the
Yeah,
fabric.
365.
Yeah, 365. And this one is 460.
Okay.
But literally it is not just like hand feeling thickness. Because
this is much heavier. I can feel it.
yeah, you can feel the heavy.
Yeah.
And this one you feel it is thicker, but it is not.
Lighter.
Yeah, it is lighter.
Okay. How like a stuff like I understand.
Yeah. 有没有丝密绒？欣桐给他找一下丝密绒。Oh, this one.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, it is not too much heavier.
Yeah, this
And-
one is nice.
Yeah, so we can highlight here this one. It's comfortable and soft
And not
for,
too much. Like this
for
is-
ladies style. You know, I really like to look around the fabric market. Each time when I see the fabric, I want to have my own brand. Yes, because I have a lot of idea, but I think this is what.
Okay, you can help me, and then when we're gonna be successful, we're gonna order more from you.
Yeah, definitely. So this one, 365. Yeah. Check the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel the difference.
What do you think is better for like sweatshirt?
For crop top, you can use this one. Crop like this. And for the whole pullover, you can use this.
For pullover, like this.
Yeah, like this. You can see a little bit here, the loops. Yeah, they just do a slightly brush treatment.
Yeah.
So you can feel the face and also comfortable.
But will it it's gonna look expensive, like the,
yeah. Because you can feel the weight. Chinese always be friendly. And they also want to join the community of foreigner, and foreigner also want to join together. So I think you can this way and have some event to invite some Chinese and foreigner to join together.
Yeah, that's what we try. Like it's a foreigner-owned brand born in China.
Yeah.
So it's like it's still Chinese, like Seoul, but like foreigner, like opened by foreigners.
Yes. Okay, so let's go to the next set.
Yeah.
This one, they mostly focus on ladies wear.
Casual ladies wear.
Yeah, you can refer to the fabric. Yeah, the fabric they use is mostly for some ladies wear, so you can feel the fabric, which fabric you like, so you can feel the fabric, which fabric you like. Yeah, if you feel the fabric feeling is good, we can ask more details about the fabric.
But for me, the most important is, are they sustainable?
Yeah. This is your concept.
Yeah,
this is your concept. So I think the way.
I think they are not sustainable.
Yeah, so you can check. So I think you need to let people behind the scene, behind the scene. People need to know your story.
Yeah.
So how you work hard, to develop the fabric
Right.
and the whole process, what you pay for the whole process is very important. Because people normally take like finish the clothing and go to take shitting by models. All normal. People or customer already tired of it. Yeah. So you need to do something different. Yeah. And maybe invite some like the campaign. So invite some customer. Do you want to join together and to be part of my brand, to help me to develop the brand together? Because I don't know Chinese and you know Chinese, maybe you can help me. Yeah, even you can be my translator. It's okay. So just have fun and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So something you need to think about this. Yeah. I want to go to the other store. It is they develop some special fabric. It's pretty thick and yeah, pretty thick for streetwear and not all of the brand can use because it's really expensive. So you can.
You think I can use really expensive?
I don't think you can use, but they still have the other collection. Okay, so we arrived. So
This is the best one, you think?
not best one. It is hard to define best one, but just wanna get some special. So I mean selling point. 那个，阿星有跟你们讲吗？对，那个500克的那个料子。
好的。
对，然后还有什么是，就是差不多300到350的那个擦毛的味料，对，可以给他推荐一下。Yeah, this is another fashion brand. Yeah, they streetwear and sell a lot. Yeah, so 2 weeks, 1,000 pieces, 2 weeks, 1,000 pieces, and the fabric is 2 times more expensive. 170. This one is, you see, 500. 500, really high density. Yeah, 360. Know what you want.
This is nice.
Yeah, this one is good. Let's go to the base. The base is for accessory, chains, labels, packaging.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so you can have a lot of idea about it.
Yeah, inspiration.
Do you need to use a zipper?
Zipper, no.
No? Okay. Then we don't need to see zipper. Zipper, button, logo band, a lot. So the base have a different kind of small accessory for clothing. So you can check. Maybe some of them you did not see before. So any string idea you like?
Just simple but good quality. It looks expensive.
Oh, okay. You see
Because
the string
in pants I want to do string inside. Labels. So.
labels, yeah.
You know, I need like I want to do here, like label like this,
Oh, okay.
like here and my brand name.
Your brand name. I
you
know,
understand?
like this.
Yeah. But so it's thin. Yeah. But thin and long.
Thinner one.
Thin and
Thin.
long.
Okay, I will guide you to.
Yeah,
But have you ever used this?
No, I don't
No,
like.
the rubber patch here.
No.
Okay, let's go to the.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know
Like-
what you mean.
Like this size.
Yeah, fold it together and then sew
Yeah,
here.
like this, and there my brand name.
Yeah, I know. I
Like
know.
this.
I know.
And also one need to like on the back here.
Yeah, I know. The labels. But what kind of label you made before?
Before we just print on the clothes because your clothes, so we just print.
Yeah. It is heat press.
So we didn't have to label before.
Heat press logo. Sleeve.
Yeah, just heat press. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Yeah, you don't need to use
I
this.
need some like I don't know what is like good.
Something like this. And
But it
then,
is too heavy. I don't know. I don't like metal. I don't like metal. I think it looks too heavy.
I think whether it is cheap, it depends on the whole
Okay.
string. You can also check this. This one is not like normal one. They already have some something inside. So like this. Yeah, the shaping is better.
You think so?
Yes. So this is really easy to spread out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So flat might be better for you.
Yeah.
Let's see some labels.
Yeah, labels.
let's
You know
see.
what I want?
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, a tag and folding tag and
Yeah.
saw here.
I think it looks good.
Okay. Here.
Oh.
Yeah. 他想用商标，然后呢对折的。
对折的哈，
不是这个。
不是这个，
I know. 对折的 like this. See here?
Yeah,
This.
yeah. But long and like.
Yeah, it's
like,
okay. The size we can custom.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
folding tag. So the folding label, yeah, and we put the folding label here, like this, and we can custom the size. Yeah, there are a lot of brands we made already here, so you can check, get some reference and different material, different shaping, and also package plastic. And this one is without.
No plastic.
Yeah. So and also the printing material is recycled. So this one is.
Yeah, I think we use the same for now.
So on the back, or even you can do hand tag, make a hole here.
Can I take one?
Yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah.
I like this one.
Yeah. Okay. 丝不浪的牛皮纸. Okay, let's go.
Where we go?
Go to sample room.
Sample room.
Yeah. So we finished the fabric sourcing today. Yeah. So how do you
Pretty
feel?
successful. Yeah.
Pretty successful.
I got a lot of inspiration, ideas, knowledge.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I hope that will be helpful to your brand.
Yeah, now I'm more clear what I need.
Good fabric for good brand, good products.